Hi, I'm Damian with the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and today we are removing a salt softener and installing a Cascadian salt-free softener and a Green NAC pre-filtration system to provide our customer with the best in water purification for their house. This impressive combination protects your entire home's plumbing, appliances, your skin, your clothing, and of course, it's environmentally friendly. No more lugging around heavy bags of salt, no more wasting water, no electricity, and no salt going down our sewer systems, making it hard for the city to reclaim the water for our parks and landscaping. The Cascadian salt-free softener has two 20-inch housings that hold a sediment filter or a carbon filter, depending on your preference, of course, and then the amazing Cascadian filter that destroys the molecular structure of all the items in the water, which results in destroying hardness. It also introduces phosphate to protect the plumbing, and it eliminates taste and odor. These filters are easy to change, and they are recommended to be changed once a year. The Green NAC is a pre-filtration system that requires no maintenance whatsoever.